Hi friends, I hope that you are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss the difference between the two modes offered by Python, the interactive mode and the script mode. But before starting, there is one thing I would like to ask you to do. If you are here on my channel watching my video for the first time, then do click the subscribe button. There is also a notification bell at the right of it. Hit that bell too. It will enable you to get notification of any video that releases on my channel. So let's start without any further ado. The interactive mode and the script mode. The initial point tells us that in interactive mode, you type the command, one command at a time, and Python executes the given command there and then and gives you the output. While the script mode is used if you want to save all the commands in the form of a program file and want to see the output lines together rather than sandwiched between successive commands. The second point now. In interactive mode, you type the command in front of Python command prompt. For your information, these three greater than signs as a whole are referred to as the command prompt. In script mode, you don't type the command in front of the Python command prompt. The third point now. In interactive mode, it is not necessary to use the print function to display the result. It can be used, but it is not necessary. In script mode, it is necessary to use print function to display the result. The fourth point now. In interactive mode, we cannot save the commands. In script mode, we can save the commands in the form of a program file. The final and the fifth point now. In interactive mode, there is no need to use run module to execute the command. Only pressing the enter key is enough to execute the particular command. In script mode, you need to use run module to execute the commands. Now that we have discussed the differences, let's see this practically as well. Let's open Python IDLE first. Here it is. In this, at the top of the window, we see the word Python followed by the version, which is followed by the word shell. This denotes the interactive mode. Here I have just executed my command 2 plus 3. You can see the three greater than signs at the start of the line where I wrote my command. These are collectively referred to as the command prompt. They appear at the start of each line in this interactive mode. As soon as I pressed the enter key, the command executed and the result was computed and shown. We did not have to use any print function here. Here I do not have any option to save my commands or to execute multiple commands at once. We did not have to use run module to execute the command. We only pressed enter and it executed. So all the points for the interactive mode have been reinforced here as we have seen this mode practically now. Let's move to the script mode now. To do that, we will have to open a new file, for which we will click File in the menu bar and then New File. A new blank file would open like this, and this denotes the script mode. I have typed 2 plus 3 and then pressed enter, but nothing happened. This is because the command did not execute. We need to run the file to execute the commands in the file. But before that, we also need to save the file. To save, we will click File, Save As, and then we can browse to the path where we want to save the file. I am saving it to the default path. Then we will name the file. I'll name it as test1. We also need to make sure that the save as type is set to Python files like this. Then we just need to click Save to save the file. After saving the file, to run the file, we need to click Run module to execute the commands in the file. For that, we need to click Run, then Run module. Or we can just press the F5 key on our keyboard to do the same. Now as soon as I did this, Python took me to the shell mode again as the output gets displayed there only even if we execute the file in the script mode. The earlier output does not get erased and therefore the output of the script we are currently running will come after the output of the commands that we ran just a while back in the interactive mode. Every time you run a script, Python shows the words restart : followed by the path of the file, and then the actual output starts. But there is nothing here after the restart and the file path. It's empty. Do you see any output? I don't. Why? Because to display the output when we are running the commands in the script mode, we need to use the print command, which we did not use in our script. So let's go back and make the changes and rerun it. So I'll use the print command this time. Saving it and running it now. This time we do see the result. Now let me add another command to my script and run it. We see the desired result. Here, multiple commands have been saved in my script file, and the result of all those commands is being displayed here. Now, if you carefully look at the table, all the points have been shown to you in Python. Moreover, you have gained more knowledge of these modes by looking at them practically. Talking about the print function that we used here, don't be worried. I will have it covered in a separate video. Now we have come to the end of the video. I expect that you would have been able to understand everything explained by me. If you have any confusion, do let me know in the comments and I will try and clear it out for you. Last but not the least, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video soon. Until then, stay tuned for more. Bye and have a nice day.